What is up, my dudes and ladies? So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And once again, here we go with another video that I'm having to voice over the audio on because of technical difficulties. I don't know if you've noticed, but that seems to be a common theme with my YouTube channel startup here. So anyway, I go on this ride today. Like 15 minutes long, whatever, get back and go to do editing, and none of my audio recorded from my external mic because I forgot to put the mic adapter in. So here we go. I'm gonna voice over, and next week I promise to have a quality video with quality audio that matches the video, or at least I'll do my best. We'll see. But anyway, the topic that I was going over today was, are motorcycles safe? There's a lot of views in society that you're gonna die, you're gonna kill yourself, you don't care about your family if you ride a motorcycle. And the thought process started because I got my father to call me yesterday, and someone that he knows wrecked a motorcycle and died a couple streets down from his house. And it made me think, and I work in the construction business, I'm a crane operator. Every day we do very dangerous tasks with tens of thousands of pounds being lifted and moved, and there's a potential for injury or death on our job sites. The same thing when you ride a motorcycle. But here's the thing, there are a lot of things we can do to stay safe. This is what we do at work. We wear personal protective equipment. We take measures to minimize the risk of the tasks at hand. It's the same thing when you ride a motorcycle. So the situation my dad told me about, the guy died in a motorcycle accident. A, he wasn't wearing his helmet. B, he was driving 120 miles per hour into a turn that he could not make at that speed. And C, he was intoxicated under the influence of alcohol. So there's a lot of things that happened that resulted in that crash. Yes, absolutely, motorcycles are not as safe as a car. I mean, that's pretty obvious. You don't have a steel cage surrounding you and a seat belt, but there are things you can do. The first thing is gear. Always wear full gear. I always wear a helmet, at least a mesh jacket, gloves to protect my hands, and proper footwear. I don't wear riding boots. I should. That's one of the next things I'm going to be buying. But anybody who's into the motorcycle community knows they're expensive, and I just haven't gotten around to it. But gear is a big thing. Yeah, that guy hit a car head on 120 miles an hour. A helmet might not have saved him, but there's a lot better chance. And a lot of the accidents that happen are at lower speeds, and there's a huge chance that you're going to be alive, maybe injured, but alive if you're wearing a helmet at the very minimum. So, I mean, I definitely believe in gear. But the second part of it, and this is the biggest thing to stay safe when you're riding two wheels, is your decision making. When we get on the road, we're faced with choices and decisions as we ride around, and we can keep ourselves safe by the decisions we make. Everybody who rides likes to have fun. We like to go faster than we should. We like to do wheelies. We like to filter in and out of traffic. I get it. All that's fun. I'm definitely guilty of it. I do a lot of that. But we need to follow some safe guidelines. We have a responsibility to come home to our families, to keep the other people on the road safe, and to continue riding and doing what we love. So a big part of that is the decisions we make on the road. Not getting angry when people cut you off, not riding aggressively when there are other cars around. That's actually what I was doing today when I went out for this ride. Is I'm looking for a parking lot. I live in Panama City right now, and I'm looking for a parking lot or abandoned building somewhere where there's an empty asphalt lot off the road, so I can practice clutch ups next week in a safe environment. And that's what it all is. Yeah, you look at doing wheelies on a motorcycle as dangerous, but I'm going where there's no other cars, away from pedestrians and traffic, off of the main road, in a clear field with no obstacles, parking lot. And I'm going to be wearing all my gear, gloves, jacket, proper footwear, and a helmet. So yeah, wheeling a motorcycle can be dangerous, but I'm taking the steps to lower the risk involved and to keep myself safe if something does happen. Is there a chance I could still get hurt? Absolutely. Is the chance greatly reduced compared to, just trying to wheelie away from a stoplight in the middle of traffic? Absolutely, and that's what it's all about. So that's what I want to talk about a little today, was just, are motorcycles safe? And in my opinion, motorcycles are safe if the motorcyclist is safe. The motorcycle is only as dangerous as the person behind it twisting that throttle. So I mean, that's where I stand with it. We all want to do what we love. We all want to get out there and feel the freedom, the fun, the exhilaration of riding on two wheels, you know, the camaraderie that we have as riders together. So I'm going to do my part and keep myself safe so I can come home to my family, and I'm going to lower whatever risk I possibly can while still having fun. I did find a parking lot actually on my ride. It's a abandoned Regency movie theater. So next weekend I think I'm gonna take the CBR out there, and yeah, I'll probably take the CBR. But it seemed like a nice little place off the roadway, and you know, it's pretty clear. There wasn't a lot of glass and debris and stuff in the parking lot. So I'm gonna practice clutch up some. That should make some good footage because I'm not great at them and it's been a long time. But it's something I want to get better at, and that's part of the reasons why I bought that CBR, is I don't have a lot of money invested in it. So if I do lay it down or drop it or whatever, I'm okay with that. And with that gearing that I put on it, it's actually super torquey and super touchy, so it's going to take me a little while to get comfortable and get a feel for it. But that's what we're going to work on next week, and I think we'll have a lot of fun going out there doing that. I'll try to get some good video of that, good footage, and I promise I will do my best to get this mic situation figured out and to have some quality audio along with my video. And yeah, so go ahead, like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Yeah, right here's where I'm turning into that abandoned movie theater actually, so you'll see the parking lot. But yeah, and go ahead and write in the comments if you want to, and let me know what your thoughts are about, you know, are motorcycles safe, and what we can do as riders to, you know, protect ourselves and come home to our families at the end of the night. And that's it. I'll go ahead and let you guys finish watching this video, and I'll see you next week, and hopefully we'll have some fun and maybe not lay the bike down. All right guys, ride safe out there, and above all,